Now that your school has courses and teachers, it's time to start making classes that you will offer. So click the classes icon, which is right above teachers. Here you will click add new item. This is the same toolbar that you've seen at the last two steps. Okay, so under class info, we have put in the title of the class that is being offered. Now, for the following, they all have drop-down menus, which is where you will see again all the information that you've already manually inputted into the system. So you can choose TFAC preparation, which teacher will be teaching this class, the room that this will be held in, and the start date by clicking the little calendar over here. Great, and then input the number of sessions. If you want to add multiple, if you offer it on Mondays and Wednesdays, for example, at these times, and any notes that you might want to add for yourself. Okay, so once you are done this, just press save. Excellent. And here at the top, you have the options to confirm the class and generate the sessions. Send a group email to all the students in the class, which you will be able to do once we input some students into the system, which is our next step. You could activate this class, delete it, or just go back to the list. For now, we're going to go back to the list, and I'm going to make a couple more classes. Now that we have some classes that your school is offering, there are more features that can be used for classes. So click on a class. So at the bottom are these three columns. Students, right now there are no students in this class at the moment. That's because you have not added students to your to the software or to this class, which will be explained later. For now, let's move on to sessions. Here are all of the sessions based upon the number of sessions that you put and the days and the weeks and the times. All down here. Okay, so the X is if you want to delete a session. So if this is wrong, this is a holiday, just press delete. Delete it. So say you notice that this one on November 5th, you need to cancel it. So it'll give you the option to make up for the session. You can click no replacement session or add a session at the end, and you can write a note. Okay, so yes, cancel this session. All right, so status, this will say canceled. There we go. So you can always send an email to all the students in the class and tell them that you canceled a class. Excellent. So once you start sending emails, so for example, canceled class. Canceled class. You would always change this, of course, but we would just press send. Got it. Let's go back. So here it tells you you sent an email to the class titled canceled class with this is the description and this was the date that you sent the email.